Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing how to brake build a boat. Oh no, here comes someone. Oh no. Quickly, retract it. Retract the madness I've caused. Oh no. Oh no, run. Okay, so you're going to want to do. The last video of me was of me thinking that you still can't do this, but that's how you do it. Very simple. So first you place a piston, then a block on it. Then you place a piston on any side of it. Then you just push it out. Hi. There's some cool build ideas that you could do with this that I thought of. Like this, then you rotate it to here. Then you have this, so it's like a door, kind of. Although this is all my idea, so I don't really know what to do with it. But if you come up with any ideas, please put them in the comments and I will try and build them. Because someone suggested, don't ask who. What type of server am I in right now? What type of server am I in? This is like the chaos server. Hello. Please let me come to your island place thingy. You may not leave. Anchor. Haha. Yes, we may stand on this and hope for a seat. I will place a seat. Let me unankle this. Bye-bye. That didn't work. Oh, he still has the block. Okay, 1 second. Let me place a seat. Don't make me ankle you. Come back here. Take it. Place the seat for her. Okay, let's go. Send us back. Hello? Oh, yes, it's not angled. You have to delete her seat. Then come here and replace it. And unankle it. Dude, we're ready. Go. What did you do to the piston? Okay. Well, guys, that will be it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.